Suzanne Cupps, the chef of 232 Bleecker in the West Village of Manhattan. Today I'm going to be making a smashed potato salad with Kewpie mayo. I got some butterball potatoes here. You can use fingerling potatoes or whatever you can find. So I just boiled these until they were cooked. I just used a knife to make sure they were tender. And then once they were a little cool, I just took the back of my hand and gently smashed them. You want to make sure they kind of stay intact, so it's kind of like one piece for this dish. And then I've got my saute pan. I'm going to turn it up a little high. With potatoes, you kind of want a little bit more oil than other things to lightly fry them. And I want to make sure my oil is hot. You can hear a light sizzle when you put them in. And again, these are already cooked, so I'm not looking to cook them. I'm just looking to get them browned. Nicely browned. And then I want to make sure I add some salt too. If you need more oil, if it looks a little dry or it's starting to burn a little bit, you can just add a little bit more oil to the pan. Sometimes potatoes need that to get nice and crispy. So I'm going to cook them maybe another 2 minutes on this side. I have a paper towel here to drain them to get some of the oil off before we plate. Okay, to plate my potato salad, I'm going to put the potatoes that we just cooked on the plate first. Kind of go down the bottom. The Kewpie mayo is like what holds the whole dish together, so I want that in the middle. So every bite that you take with the potato, you get the mayo. I think it's important to have that kind of unctuousness and that fat with the potato salad. So I'm going to be generous with the mayo. And then the things I like about a potato salad, I like when there's some crunch and some freshness too. So I have some just cut celery that I'm going to sprinkle over. I like to have something pickly on the potato salad. I have some pickled ginger that I made. You can buy it at the store. You can use anything else that you have pickled, cucumbers, peppers, anything that gives it a little bit of brightness and freshness. I have this really awesome watermelon radish. Colors are great that I got at the green market near me. So I just shaved a little. If you put the radishes in ice water, so it's ice cold, then if you cut them thinly, then they'll kind of give a curl like that and they just look and eat nicely. So I'm going to put some of these radishes for some crunch on top. I like to have kind of a sprinkle of flavor, a pop, so when you first dig in, you taste that flavor. So I have some silk chili that I'm going to put over the top just for a little heat, and then some powdered nori. Give it a finishing touch. So that's our warm potato salad with Kewpie mayo.